Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at VeryChat, how to import the contract address to SafeBar. You can import it on OKS or MetaMask, but I'm recommending SafeBar. I'm going to guide you on how to do that. If you have not started, look at the link in the video description. This VeryChat wallet is in partnership with OKS, and this project is not just that they are in partnership with OKS, you can as well mine and sell. It is already trading on black market and the project is doing massively well. The link will be in the video description. Now, to import the contract address for those that wish to buy the coin, I'm going to show you how to do that using the SafeBar. You can see my SafeBar here, so I'm going to click on it. Once you tap on it, it's very easy to import. What you need to do is to click on this logo here. Once you tap on the logo, you can now locate this place that says custom network. Tap on the custom network. Now you click on add network here. Once you tap on add manually, you are going to search for very mainnet. You don't need to do any other thing, just to add the mainnet, and automatically the network, the symbol and everything will show. So you come here and click and search for very mainnet. Can you see? It has shown itself immediately. So what we are going to do is to click on this plus sign to add it. You can see this is a default token, the chain ID is 4613. So you click on this plus sign, success, very mainnet added. So you go back home. Once you go back home, once you come back home, you click on this wallet here. Now you also search very mainnet. Can you see it here? Very mainnet. So you click on this plus sign again. Added. Can you see the very is now added? You go back, you refresh. Can you see it? So this is the very. Now, if you want to buy, all you have to do right now is just to click on this very mainnet. Just tap on the very. You copy your address and send to the vendor that want to sell to you. Or if you want to transfer your assets, you click on send and you will transfer it. So if you click on receive, you copy this address, and send to the vendor, and you receive your very automatically using your SafeBar. So this is how to import VeryChat on SafeBar. I believe this video is helpful. And if you want to buy, you can actually reach out to me. I will sell to you at the best rate. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.